Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to get my memo on Bitget Exchange. So not all coins will have a memo, so when you go to assets and then add funds basically and deposit the crypto and then search up a coin specifically, so not all coins will have a memo on the Bitget Exchange. So let's just select a random one right here. Let's just say BTC for example. So let's go with the Bitcoin network right here, and sometimes there's going to be a memo written right below here, but sometimes it won't. So it depends on the coin actually. So you can check on the blockchain explorer for the actual memo, but sometimes it really doesn't show on the Bitget exchange because I've tried it once on Solana, I think, and yes, there is a memo attached to it, but I can't seem to find it recently anymore. But usually it should appear right here anytime sooner again. So basically, that's how you get your memo on the Bitget exchange. You'll just have to find it when you're doing your deposit transactions.